In today's video, I will walk you through how to create projects in Salesforce. To begin, access your Salesforce dashboard and move toward the Quick Settings area. Inside the Quick Settings section, locate the option labeled Open Advanced Setup and select it to continue. This will take you into the Setup area where Salesforce allows you to manage objects and configuration settings connected to your account. After the Setup page loads, move to the Search area and search for Object Manager. In the Setup menu, Object Manager will appear under the Objects and Fields section. Once you find it, select Object Manager to continue to the next screen. Inside Object Manager, move toward the far right side of the page and locate the option labeled Create. Select Create to open the drop-down menu that contains additional creation options. From the drop-down menu, choose Custom Object to begin creating the project object inside Salesforce. After selecting Custom Object, the Object Creation form will appear on the screen. In the Object Name field, enter Project as the name for the custom object. In the Plural Label field, enter projects so Salesforce can display the correct plural version throughout the platform. Next, continue to the Record Name section and change the Record Name field to Project Name. This will become the main name field used for records created inside the project object. As you continue through the form, locate the Features section. In this area, enable the options for Allow Reports, Allow Activities, and Track Field History. Continue reviewing the remaining settings shown on the page. You may also see deployment settings during the setup process. In this section, select either Deploy in Development or Deploy depending on the option you want to use during object creation. Continue scrolling until you reach the Search Status setting. This option controls whether users can locate records connected to the object during searches inside Salesforce. Adjust the setting according to the option displayed on your screen and continue through the setup form. Once all required fields and settings have been completed, continue by selecting Save. Salesforce will then begin creating the custom object using the settings entered during the setup process. In some accounts, object creation may depend on the current subscription or trial limitations connected to Salesforce. If object limits have already been reached on the account, Salesforce may prevent additional custom objects from being created until the account plan changes. If the account allows additional objects, selecting Save will complete the setup and Salesforce will automatically create the project object inside the dashboard. After the process finishes, the New Projects section will become available inside Salesforce for future records and management. Thank you for watching.